Hi, I'm Mrs. Nancy Gebian and I'm the chemistry teacher for grade 7 American System. Today is Thursday, March 12, 2020. I'm going to start a new section in Chapter 3, Section 2, Organizing the Elements. Today we are going to talk about the modern periodic table. The periodic table, it tells you all the information that you need to know about any element. So please open your book page 82. First, the periodic table that we use today, it is rearranged in order of atomic number, which is the number of protons. And the properties of the elements repeat in each row. In the periodic table, there is one square for each element, and this square, it includes the element's atomic number, chemical symbol, name, and atomic mass. The first entry in the square is the atomic number of iron, which is 26. You know that the atomic number tells you that every iron atom has 26 protons in its nucleus. And since the atom is neutral, so the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, so iron also has 26 electrons. Just below the atomic number we have the chemical symbol, which is Fe for iron. Chemical symbols contain either one or two letters, and the element symbol is an abbreviation of the element's name in English. For example, zinc symbol is Zn, calcium Ca, and silicon Si. But we have other elements that their symbols are abbreviations of their Latin names. For example, sodium, the Latin name of sodium is natrium, so its symbol is Na. Potassium, K. Gold, Au, lead, Pb, and iron, Fe. The last entry in the square, it is the atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element is the average mass of all isotopes of that element. For example, iron has 4 isotopes: iron 56, iron 54, iron 57, and iron 58. So the average atomic mass of iron is determined from the combined percentages of all its isotopes. The periodic table is a way of listing elements. As you can see in this periodic table, we have different square colors. The ones with the blue color, they are the metals, like lithium, sodium, beryllium, magnesium, aluminum, copper, zinc, nickel, and so on. Next to them, we have the green squares. They are the metalloids, like boron, silicon. And finally, we have the brown squares, which are the nonmetals, like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and so on. The periodic table is arranged in horizontal rows called periods. A period contains a series of different elements. And as you move across the period from left to right, properties of the elements change according to a pattern. As an example, look at the fourth period of the periodic table. The elements on the left of this period are highly reactive metals such as potassium and calcium. Elements in the center of the period are relatively unreactive metals such as nickel and copper. Elements to the right of these include metalloids such as arsenic and nonmetals like bromine. And the last element in a period is always a very unreactive gas. In this period we have krypton. Now, as I said before, the periodic table has 7 periods which form 18 vertical columns. The elements in a column are called a group. Groups are also known as families. The groups are numbered from group 1 on the left to group 18 on the right. Most groups are named for the first element in the column. For example, group 14, its name is the carbon family, and group 15, its name is the nitrogen family.